Welcome, future digital marketers. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of digital marketing in 2024. Picture this, you, starting from scratch, but with the potential to soar to great heights in this dynamic industry. Let's break it down. Digital marketing encompasses a range of strategies to promote products or services online. From boosting website traffic through SEO to reaching your target audience with PPC advertising, the possibilities are endless. First up, SEO. Search engine optimization is the art of optimizing your online content to rank higher in search engine results. It's like a digital roadmap that guides users straight to your virtual doorstep. Next, PPC advertising. Pay-per-click campaigns allow you to target specific audiences with tailored ads. It's like having a billboard in the digital world, grabbing attention and driving traffic to your site. Email marketing is another powerful tool in your digital arsenal. Crafting engaging emails to nurture leads and build relationships with your audience can lead to increased brand loyalty and conversions. And let's not forget about content marketing. Creating valuable and relevant content that resonates with your audience is key to building brand awareness and establishing your authority in the industry. Now, why should you consider a career in digital marketing? Well, the opportunities are endless. With the rise of e-commerce and digital platforms, businesses are constantly seeking skilled professionals to help them navigate the online landscape. So, are you ready to take the plunge into the world of digital marketing? Enroll in our course today and kickstart your journey to success. The digital realm is waiting for you to make your mark. Let's embark on this exciting adventure together.